Hi, good day, Miss M6744. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, good day to my future employer. My name is Grace Umayana Busel. 42 years old. I am happy married. I have 4 children. Their age are 25 years old, 22 years old, 17 years old, and 11 years old girl. I am Roman Catholic. I am high school graduate. I work experience in Lebanon for 2 years and 3 months. Um, I work at the couple uh, employer. They have 2 children. Their age are 4 years old and 8 years old. I am the one helper in the house. My main duties are all around helper. I'm cooking, I'm taking care of the children when madam and sir is not around. I am the one who bring in the school. I go in the I have they have one pet dog. My second employer in Hong Kong. I work at 2 years and 9 months. They are 5 members in the family. Their children are 3 children. Their age are 3 years old, 7 years old, and 8 years old. My main duties are work as a household. All around helper, I wash clothes, cooking, cleaning all the house, washing, ironing, and car washing.
Okay, how many car do you car wash?
2 cars, and I wash in once a week.
Okay, so you taking care children, right? 3 years old, 6 and 8.
Yes.
Why suddenly break the contract?
My madam talked to me that she don't need many helper because they suddenly struggle and financially. So I decide to break my contract.
So your employer and you are mutually
Yeah.
agree to break
Yes,
your contract.
I agree.
Yeah. Do you have release paper?
Yes, I have.
Okay. So since I saw that you have experience taking care of the children, but you don't have experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes,
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the temperature. I will change the diaper. I will feed the baby.
Okay. And if the baby won't stop to cry after you did all of your best, what will you do?
I call my employer to go back in home to check the baby.
Okay, you rather call the parents of the baby. Okay. For sure you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food, right?
Yes,
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
I can cook steamed fish, steamed pork. I can make a soup. I can make a juice, and I can cook what they want to tell me what we
Okay,
cook.
so you know how
Yes.
you know a lot of
Yes.
Chinese dishes, right?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any relatives in Hong Kong?
I don't know.
And why do you want to work again in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because people are very nice. They have good values. Hong Kong is very clean, and I want to work to earn money.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer wants to work, as long as I can.
Okay.
I can work longer.
Okay. It is okay to you to eat the food that the employer provide?
Yes.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short?
Yes.
How about sharing room with a baby and kids?
Yes.
It is okay to you to share job with other helpers?
Yes.
It is okay to you to taking care of pets and elderly?
Yes.
Okay. It is okay to you to learn their language.
Yes.
What will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, I will serve you as my family, and I love your family also as I love my family. That's all. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Miss Grace.
Grace.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.